After the snow is gone and you check your lawn out for spring, you notice that you have depleted areas where there has been damage. You lift it up and you find out you have white grubs. What do? Well, nematode biologics are an excellent source to look after white grubs. The first thing you need to do is moisten the soil. Best thing to do is wait till it rains or after a good rain when the soil is moist. But if it isn't, use your sprinkler. The product that you can use is NemaKnights Grub Control. It's a biological insect control made with nematodes and is non-refrigerated. Open the lid and remove the seal. You will notice a small hole in the seal. This is so that the product can breathe. It is a live microscopic insect control. Flip the clap and sprinkle on the lawn in the damaged areas. Once this has been done, take your sprinkler or your hose end sprayer and respray the area to wash the nematodes and the beads onto the soil. Continue to do this for the next 3 days to make sure your soil stays moist.